Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Namrata again. Hope you all are doing great. And finally I'm back. Right now I'm really excited, and I know I've taken the longest break ever since I started this YouTube channel, ever since I started uploading video on regular basis. So please forgive me, I couldn't manage everything at the same time anyway. So the best part is I'm back and I will keep uploading those weekly videos, so please stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to it and don't forget to like this video. So for today's video, as you have already noticed, I'm going to share with you this kind of easy yet very gorgeous looking festive makeup tutorial, as the festive season is around the corner. So I hope you'd enjoy watching this video. So now without doing any further ado, let's get into the tutorial.
At first, I started with the Clinique Moisture Surge Facial Spray. I believe that makes my skin very soft and ready for the makeup. And then I used MAC Prep+Prime Primer. That somewhat helps to blend my foundation easily. And next, I went with the Benefit Goof eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrows. And I think this is the best eyebrow pencil to do your eyebrows. Very easy to work with, and this is the second Goof pencil I got for myself. The previous one was in number 4 I guess, and this is 4.5, which is little more darker, and it also comes with a spoolie brush, which is very handy, and at the end it gives you perfect well-defined eyebrows. And next I used a Tarte Shape Tape concealer to highlight around my eyebrows. It helps to pop up my eyebrows even better. And then applied the same concealer on the eyelid and blended with the Wet Beauty blender, of course. And for today's look, I chose this Clinique eyeshadow palette, a travel size palette, which I got as a free gift few days back, and I love these warm tones. For this fall and for this festive season, these are perfect. So I chose that warm brown tone for my crease as a transition color. So I kept blending that color unless it looked soft. And these shadows got some satiny texture which blends very quickly. It doesn't take a lot of effort. And next I took another darker shade. It's a chocolatey brown shade, and putting it on the outer crease and blending it with the previous transition color, but trying not to drag it till the inner corner, so that the outer corner gets the maximum darkness or shadow. And then picked another brush. It's a clean blending brush. I haven't picked any pigment onto this brush, just a clean brush, and just doing a circular motion to blend both the shades. And then picked a golden shimmery shade from the same palette and putting it on the eyelid, right on the eyelid, from inner corner till the outer corner. And once the application is done, I picked that clean blending brush again to blend all the edges. Tried to keep that golden shade only to the eyelid, didn't reach it till the crease line. That should look dark. And next I picked that rich chocolatey shade again to apply it onto the outer crease or outer corner of my eyelid, and then blend it again. And next I picked that highlighter shade with the help of a flat brush to apply it on the brow bone. And that's all for eyes now. I will come back to it later. And now brushing off if there are any pigments on my cheeks or anywhere on my face. And then went with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the shade NC40. Just dotting all over my face, and then blending it with the Wet Beauty blender. This is by Real Technique, and kept blending it unless it looks real or skin like. Although my skin is doing really well nowadays, touch wood, I don't trust my skin, it can break out anytime. Anyway, I kept blending it, and this Wet Beauty blenders always helps to give natural finish. So try it out if you want a very light and natural looking finish. And then I went with one of my favorite concealer these days. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Tan. Applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and little bit on my cheeks wherever I have little bit of pigmentation. And then again blending it with that same Wet Beauty blender by Real Techniques. But if you have super pigmented skin, then go with the color corrector first, even before you apply your foundation, those red or orange ones. That will really help to eliminate those pigmentations. And now I'm applying little bit of loose powder. I'm baking those areas wherever I applied concealer before, so I used banana powder. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the eye makeup. So I filled my waterline using a black eyeliner pencil or kajal. I used the Wet n Wild one, and then brushed up all the excess powder and smudged the kajal using a smudge brush, which gives a very subtle smoky look, which always looks good. And then picked that brown shade with the help of a pencil brush and blended with the kajal in the lower outer lash line. And for the upper line, I picked another Clinique product. This is their eyeliner pen in shade black, and drew a very thin line close to the upper lash line. It makes the lashes look more fuller. And then picked the Wet n Wild contour palette to lightly contour my face. I always prefer those bronzy cheeks instead of those well contoured ones. So I always prefer powder contour for that reason. But if you want more contoured and well defined sharp feature, then you can pick those cream contour first, and then you can layer it up with the powder contour. And next I went with the MAC blush. I can't remember the shade name right now, but you can check it out in the description box. Everything will be there. And next I picked another MAC product. This is their highlighter from the last year holiday collection. I think the shade name is Whisper of Gilt. Yeah, and applying it on all the high points of my face, and it gives very subtle glow, which looks very natural yet long lasting. And then curled my lashes, followed by a few coats of mascara. Today I'm going to use the Clinique High Impact Mascara, although I haven't found anything extraordinary about this product. Trust me girls, even few Maybelline mascaras are better than this, and this is why I don't like to invest on high-end mascaras, although it was a free gift again, so I don't really care about it, and I'm not gonna buy it ever once it's finished. And today at the end I will put on falsies, so wait for that. And now here is the best part, the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in shade Uncensored, which is a pretty red color one could ever have. I just can't get over this shade. Look how beautiful it looks, and it looks great on everyone. I love the packaging, the applicator, the formula of it, everything about it. Anyway, and this is how I completed the look. And at the end I sprayed good amount of that Clinique Moisture Surge facial spray, and dabbed that wet beauty blender to blend everything in. And for falsies I used one from Sephora's in-house brand, and at the end added some accessories in to complete this Indian festive look. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Then don't forget to hit the like button below, and please share your valuable thoughts in the comment box. I will wait for that. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.